Prime Minister's Lok Sabha poll campaign is in full gear. Pilibhit will go to polls without a member of the other Gandhi family, Maneka Gandhi or her son Varun Gandhi, as a candidate for the first time in 35 years. It will witness an election rally of Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the first time ever, where he will drum up support for the BJP candidate. Uttar Pradesh Minister Jitin Prasad, who joined the BJP from the Congress in 2021, is now the party's pick following its move to deny a ticket to Varun Gandhi, the sitting Member of Parliament from Pilibhit. In an effort to make inroads in the south as well, the Prime Minister will yet again visit Chennai and hold a mega roadshow this evening, organized to canvass votes for BJP candidates from South Chennai and Central Chennai. Prime Minister's visit to Chennai comes after M.K. Stalin dismissed the Modi wave in Tamil Nadu and predicted the DMK will sweep the polls in the state.
मुझे क्या कहना है इस पर? पार्टी जो फैसला करती है, लेकिन वरुण बहुत ही अच्छे एमपी थे और जो भी बनेंगे जिंदगी में और बहुत कुछ बनेंगे, देश के लिए अच्छा ही करेंगे।
कहीं अलग से कोई तैयारी वगैरह है लड़ने की जैसी कुछ?
नहीं, ऐसे हम लोग इस तरीके के लोग नहीं हैं।
क्या कहा जा सकता है, आगे क्या भविष्य होगा उनका?
क्या मालूम क्या भविष्य होगा, जो भी होगा उज्जवल ही होगा।
My colleague Samarth Srivastava is joining us live at the moment. Samarth, Pilibhit is where the Prime Minister will be today campaigning for Jitin Prasad. The first time that the Prime Minister will be campaigning in Pilibhit at a time that none of the other Gandhi family members, that's Maneka Gandhi or Varun Gandhi, have been pitted from Pilibhit on a BJP ticket. So it's going to be very interesting that the Prime Minister visits Pilibhit at this point of time.
Well, exactly, Paulumi. For the past 35 years, it has been the area, the stronghold of Maneka Gandhi and Varun Gandhi, the Pilibhit. But now the ticket was given to Jitin Prasad and he has been campaigning extensively. And now for the first time, Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, will be in Pilibhit for campaigning for Jitin Prasad. Though his visit, his rally will not just impact Pilibhit, but the entire Bareilly Mandal, which consists of Shahjahanpur Lok Sabha seat, Bareilly Lok Sabha seat and various other Lok Sabha seats. So his visit will impact the entire Bareilly zone area, and that's why Jitin Prasad is also quite enthusiastic with the visit of Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. And it's worth mentioning here, this is happening at a time when India Alliance hasn't even began their campaigning in the UP zone, especially, though the plan for Akhilesh Yadav rallies have come out, and Akhilesh Yadav will also hold a rally in Pilibhit on 12th. That means the coming Friday. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit is going to be quite happening for BJP. For around 50 minutes, he'll be in Pilibhit from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Prime Minister will be in Pilibhit and he'll hold a rally where he'll be taking on the Congress Party and the Samajwadi Party, the main opposition parties in the UP, in the state of UP. So it's going to be worth seeing, because Pilibhit has been the stronghold for the BJP, though it was in the name of Maneka Gandhi and then Varun Gandhi. The candidate might have been changed, but the theory of Pilibhit for the BJP has been intact, and to, in a way, make it much impactful, this visit of Prime Minister is seen as a major thing for the Saffron Party, while opposition is still finding ways, in a way, to start to begin campaign in those Lok Sabha seats which comes in the first phase. Or that means the elections are around 19th of April. Not much time is left. If you see, around 10 days or a week time is left, while the Prime Minister's visit is seen as a much impactful thing, especially for Jitin Prasad.
Right. Samarth, thank you for joining us with all of those details. My colleague there tracking all those developments as far as the BJP's campaign in Uttar Pradesh is concerned.